Hey, if you're a photographer like me, I'm going to give you some tips today on some things that you might want to do. One of the things I always say is always carry a camera with you. Now, I know you probably got a cell phone on your side all the time, but I like to carry a regular camera with me, either a DSLR or a mirrorless. These days, the camera that I carry with me in my vehicle is usually the Nikon Z50 Mark II, and depending on the situation, which lens I have on it. Today I took the camera with me to town and I had the 16-50 kit lens, and I took some photographs with it today. Before you go out the door with that camera though, check and make sure you've got a battery in there. And while you're at it, turn the camera on and make sure the battery is charged. In addition to that, make sure the memory card is in there. I don't know how many times I've left the house without a memory card in my devices, okay? So that's one of the things you want to check. Another thing I suggest you do is that you always have a tripod in your vehicle. If you're a landscape photographer, you never know when the opportunity is going to arise, when you might see a barn or a sunset or something you want to photograph that requires you to use a tripod. In addition to that, make sure that your camera has the proper tripod plate on it for that, okay? All of my stuff is Arca Swiss, but just like today, I took the Z50 Mark II out with me today, and I had my cotton carrier button on the bottom of it. I didn't even have an Arca Swiss plate on it. So I wanted to do a sunrise photograph this morning by chance, and I couldn't put it on my tripod because I had the wrong thing on it, okay? So make sure you have the right attachment for your tripod on the bottom. If you're carrying your camera in your vehicle with you, folks, do me a favor. Don't carry it on the seat of the truck or the vehicle. Don't carry it on the seat of the vehicle. Put it on the floorboard, on a towel. Keep it in a camera bag or whatever you're going to use, but don't lay it on the seat. If somebody pulls out in front of you and you got to stab the brakes, I'll guarantee you that camera is going to roll off the seat and hit the floor. Tell me, how many of you have had that happen to you? I've had it happen at least once, maybe twice, okay? I even went to town today and broke the golden rule. It was sitting on the seat of the truck. Anyways, keep it in a camera bag, or if you're trying to shoot quickly or want to be at the ready, at least lay it on a towel on the floorboard of the front seat, okay? Another tip I want to tell you to do is to try different settings on your camera. Now, you don't have to go outside to do this. You can do it from the comfort of your home while you're sitting in your easy chair. But on the Nikon systems, there's so many different things to try, and I've been trying the different picture controls on the Z50 Mark II. So what I've done is I set my file saving mode into JPEG Fine plus RAW, and I've been playing around with the black and white settings in the picture controls, which produces a JPEG file. And if you get it right in camera, you can just download the JPEG files and shoot it straight up to social media without much editing at all, okay, if you get it right in camera. So play around with those picture controls and see if you can find some that you like, especially the monochrome or the black and white features, okay? And one more thing, find opportunities to shoot with your camera, okay? Think about places you can go, walk around downtown, do different things. So for example, today I took my camera with me this morning on my morning walk. Now for the last month on my All Things Ron channel, and I'll put a link in the description below if you want to go over and check it out, I've been challenging myself to walk 10,000 steps a day, which is nearly 5 miles. It's 3 laps around this place that I go to. So today I decided I'm going to take my camera with me, and I set it up to shoot black and white JPEGs, and I said I'm going to photograph things along the walking trail. So on the very last lap, I always pass my truck each lap. On the very last lap, I stopped by my truck, I picked up the Nikon Z50 Mark II, I had my Peak Design shoestring strap, put it on my shoulder just like this, and away I went walking, okay? And I just found all kinds of interesting things to photograph, and I'm going to show you those photographs right now in the video. So there you go. There's my tips for photographing or even going for a morning walk and finding interesting things to photograph. Hey, we'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.